Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Khadar Basha. Nishita Training Module 18 Answers of Quiz in English. Understanding Rights, Child Sexual Abuse and the POCSO Act 2012. Viewers who are watching for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my latest videos on your YouTube channel. And keep sharing my videos. If you like my video, then please press the like button. So without wasting your time, let's get started. If you come to know about any sexual offense with the child, then whom will you report? Childline 1098 Service, Police, Parent, District Child Protection Unit. Generally, we may have confused in between Childline Service and Police. Childline Service will be used for emergency purpose mostly. So the right answer would be Police. How a teacher can support to a child who is sharing about sexual abuse. Scolding or warning to the abuser. Listen and talk to the child with empathy. Blaming the child. Discussing the incident with others. So the right answer would be listen and talk to the child with empathy. Empathy means it is an ability to understand other people's emotion. Child sexual abuse should be reported in all circumstances when we know about it. Severe case of child sexual abuse. Case family agrees to report. Case the abuse is repetitive. The right answer would be all circumstances when we know about it. Showing nude images to a child comes under sexual abuse, physical abuse, emotional abuse, neglect. Generally, we may have confusion in between emotional abuse and sexual abuse. Emotional means underestimate the person based on his color, caste, religion. So whereas the right answer would be sexual abuse because nude images indicates sex. So the right answer would be sexual abuse. When the act becomes an aggravated offense, when offense committed by a man, committed by a person in a position of trust or authority, when offense is committed once, when it's committed taking advantage of child's financial condition, mostly trust and authority are misused, then only incidents will happen. So the right answer would be committed by a person in position of trust or authority. Child sexual abuse happens to boys only, girls only, both boys and girls, more with girls and less with boys. The right answer would be both boys and girls. Child sexual abuse happens with boys and girls. Child sexual abuse may happen because the reasons cannot be predicted, confused with love and romantic relationship, child is not being disciplined, financial crisis. Financial crisis is the wrong answer. Child is not being disciplined. All indisciplined people may not commit for child sexual abuse, so it is very rare. Confused with love and romantic relationship. Being in confused between love and romantic relationship leads to have child sexual abuse. It is also very rare situation. So the right answer would be the reasons cannot be predicted. Which is the special law or act to punish child sexual abuse offender? Right to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, Juvenile Justice Act 2015, POCSO Act 2012, Indian Penal Code 1860. So the right answer is POCSO Act 2012. Who is a child? Any person below the age 18 years, below the age 6 years, below the age 14 years, below the age 16 years. So the right answer is below the age 18 years. Right to survival includes toys, food, shelter, clothing, recreational activities, picnic with parents. Food, shelter, clothing are the basic needs to survive in the world. So the right answer would be food, shelter, clothing.